Welcome. Today, we're diving into the 5 best free SEO tools for 2026. If you want to rank higher without breaking the bank, this tutorial is for you. Getting started with search engine optimization can feel overwhelming, especially with all the paid software out there. But fear not, as there are powerful professional tools available for free. In 2026, SEO remains critical. It's the most reliable way to drive organic, high-quality traffic to your website, making it essential for any online presence. You do not need expensive subscriptions to start optimizing your site. These 5 free tools provide the professional insights you need to get ahead. Let's kick off with the foundational tool recommended by Google itself, the Google Search Console. Google Search Console is essential for tracking keyword performance. You can see exactly which queries drive impressions and clicks to your site directly from Google's perspective. A huge benefit is finding underperforming pages. Look for high impression keywords with low click-through rates. Optimizing these pages is often the fastest way to increase traffic. Next up is a free offering from one of the industry-leading names, Ahrefs Webmaster Tools. This free tool is fantastic for technical SEO. You can run a site-wide audit to check for critical issues like broken pages, missing tags, and slow loading times, all crucial for ranking. The free version also allows you to check your basic backlink profile, which is vital for understanding your site's authority and identifying spammy links that might be hurting your performance. Our third tool harnesses the power of AI. We're talking about ChatGPT, a game changer for content SEO. You can use ChatGPT for efficient keyword clustering, generating content ideas, and organizing your topics for maximum search visibility. It's also incredibly fast at generating optimized meta titles and descriptions. This can save you hours of manual copywriting time, ensuring your snippets are enticing and keyword-rich. Moving on to our fourth tool, the often underutilized but powerful Google Trends. Google Trends helps you discover hot topics before they explode. You can see when search interest peaks and dips, giving you perfect timing for content publication. You can compare multiple search terms, analyze interest based on region, and ensure your content is relevant to your target audience's location and current needs. Finally, we have the technical utility tool, Screaming Frog SEO Spider, with an extremely useful free version. The free version can crawl up to 500 URLs on your site. This is perfect for quickly identifying broken links or redirect errors, which are major technical SEO pitfalls. There you have it. 5 free, powerful tools that level the playing field for beginners in SEO. To quickly summarize, we covered Google Search Console, Ahrefs Webmaster Tools, ChatGPT, Google Trends, and Screaming Frog. Start implementing these today. If you found this tutorial helpful and want more actionable SEO tips, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.